Namaste everyone, this is Dr. Pratibha KS. Today I'll be presenting before you Biotechnology Theory question paper 3, that is Biochemistry and Biophysics paper. Okay, today I'll be dealing university question paper. Okay, here you can see third semester BSc examination November or December 2017 Biotechnology 3 Biochemistry and Biophysics. Instructions part 1 and part 2 must be answered in separate booklets. But this year you need to listen to the instructions. I think you are going to write both part 1 and part 2 in the same booklet. Okay. Draw the structure and neat label diagrams wherever necessary. It's very important. Time 3 hours, maximum marks 70. Okay, part 1 biochemistry section A. Write short notes on the following. First one, transport proteins, cofactor, saponification number, essential fatty acids. Each question answer carries 2 marks. Okay, total 8 marks here. Section B, answer any two of the following. Explain the tertiary structure of proteins with an example. Okay. Sixth question, describe reversible inhibition in enzyme with suitable examples. What are steroid hormones? Write its types and biological significance. Dear students, whenever you write any answer, relevant points kindly underline and after each answer put double lines. Okay, here part 1, section A carries 2 marks, then section B carries 6 marks. Then section C, answer any two of the following. What are enzymes? Discuss the classification of enzymes. Classify proteins based on their composition and functions. Okay. 10th question, write short notes on rancidity, water soluble vitamins. Okay, here each question answer carries 10 marks. Okay, whatever the question there was, specifically answer that first and later you can elaborate. What are enzymes you can write, you can give example, then you can focus on classification of enzymes. And here also classify proteins. First define what is proteins. Okay, then go through the classification of the proteins, list all the classification of the proteins, and later one by one give the description of the classification of proteins and their compositions and function. Okay. Next, section D, fourth main, answer the following. Name any two hydrophobic amino acids. Give the chemical name of vitamin B12. 13th question, what is the non-protein part of hollow enzyme? Expand PUFA. Name any two female sex hormones. All this question answer carries 1 mark. Here, you need to answer all this question in one word or maybe one sentence. Okay, you need to watch your time and you need to write the answer and also go through the marks, how much assigned for each question. Okay, part 2, Biophysics, section A. Answer any two of the following. What is an anionic bond? List out its characteristics. Okay. Question number 2. Enumerate the differences between paper chromatography and column chromatography. Okay. Next, third question. Explain the principle and applications of atomic absorption spectroscopy. Okay. This here in section A, part 2, first main, each question answer carries 5 marks. Okay. Section B, answer any one of the following. Discuss the working principle and applications of UV visible spectroscopy. Fifth question, write short notes on scientification, laws of thermodynamics. Okay, each question answer carries 10 marks. So you have to write in detail. Section C, answer the following. Define pH scale, expand HPLC. What is the unit of sedimentation coefficient? Name two intrinsic fluorescence compounds. What is RF value? Each answer carries 1 mark. Okay. Now let us go to the next paper, 2016. Part 1, Biochemistry. Write short notes on the following. Active site, iodine number, mutarotation, denaturation. Okay, 2 marks each. Section B, answer any two of the following. Describe the mechanism of steroid hormone action. Explain acidic and basic properties of amino acids. Seventh question, discuss the dietary source and role of fat soluble vitamins. Next, section C, answer any two of the following. Describe the structure and functions of polysaccharides. Ninth question, with regard to the structural hierarchy of protein, Comment on the following. Primary structure, alpha helix, tertiary structure. Here alpha helix is nothing but secondary structure. You need to explain the secondary structure here, alpha helix and beta plated sheets. 10th question, write notes on enzyme classification, properties of triglycerols. Section D, answer the following. 11th question, what is inversion of sucrose? Name the sulfur containing amino acids. Which deficiency causes beriberi? Give an example for competitive inhibitor. Name the glucocorticoid hormone. Each answer carries 1 mark. Part 2, Biophysics, Section A. Answer any two of the following. What are buffers? Explain acetate buffer action. State Beer-Lambert's law. Differentiate between colorimeter and spectrophotometer. Okay. Describe the principle and applications of ultracentrifugation. Okay, here each answer carries 5 marks. Now let us go through the section B. Answer any one of the following. Explain the principle and applications of column chromatography. Okay, write short notes on scope of biophysics are measures of and not are sorry scope of biophysics and measures of radioactivity. Here both you need to write. Here you can choose either you can write fourth one or fifth one. Okay, next section C, answer the following. Write Henderson Hasselbalch equation. Only equation we need to write, not needs to define. What are van der Waals forces? Expand RPM. Write two applications of IR spectroscopy. Name two radioactive isotopes. Okay, so this is all about the 2016 question paper. Okay, if I'm going very quick, you can pause this video and you can go through. Now let us go to the next question paper, that is 2015. Okay, write short notes on the following. Ascorbic acid, peptide bond, phospholipids, cofactors. Okay, each answer carries 2 marks. Students, you can do one thing, you can just check whether you have the answer for all these questions or not. If you don't have the question for these questions, you can drop me a message, I'll be able to answer that particular question. Okay, then section B, answer any two of the following. Fifth question, what is Michaelis-Menten equation? Mention the significance of Vmax and Km. Okay. Sixth question, what is rancidity? Give reasons for rancidity. Okay. Explain the quaternary structure of protein with an example. Next, answer any two of the following. Explain the structure of starch. Describe the role of carbohydrates as energy source. Explain the classification of proteins based on structure and function. 10th question, write a note on steroid hormone, vitamin B complex. Section D, answer the following. What is active site of an enzyme? Name two coenzymes derived from vitamins. What is PUFA? That is PUFA. Give example. What are the disaccharides? What are hydroxy amino acids? Give example. Okay. Each question answer carries 1 mark. Part 2, Biophysics. Section A. Answer any two of the following. Differentiate between ionic and covalent bonds. What is radioactivity? Explain the importance of isotopes in biological studies. Okay. Define buffer. Explain the mode of action of phosphate buffer. Each question answer carries 5 marks. Next, section B, answer any one of the following. Fourth question, give a detailed account of paper chromatography. While studying paper chromatography, kindly get ready through thin layer chromatography and also column chromatography. Okay, and even gas liquid chromatography. Explain the principle and applications of NMR spectroscopy. Here each question carries 1 mark. Answer the following. Define pH. What is RF? State Beer-Lambert's law. What is the unit of radioactivity? Define Gibbs free energy. Don't worry about this 2012, 13 batch onwards, whatever. You just focus on all these expected questions and try to get the answer for all these questions. Okay, hope you understood today's university question paper. Try to explore all the answer. If you are unable to find, let me know. You can drop me a message. I'll be there to help you. Okay. Hi, Dr. Pratibha K. signing off for today. Stay tuned with me. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you, everyone.